adding extension to cornrows from the beginning like this, it is destroying your braids and your edges. Most people don't even realize they are doing it wrong, but today I'll show you how you do it the right way. So without further ado, let's get started. First, start your cornrow using just the natural hair for first 2 to 3 stitches. This creates an anchor and keeps the braid flat. Next, you want to take your extension, pull it over like this, and grip it with your index and your thumb. Once that is done, you want to make like 3 stitches. So let's go 1, leave the extension, pull it with the index and thumb, 2, grip, and 3. Then you take the extension backwards. This method makes it look natural and gives it a smooth appearance. Now I want to add extension again. One of the hair is not covered yet, so you fix it like that. The braid 1, 2, and 3. Bring the extension backward. This method is one of the easiest way to add extension, and guess what? The hair looks clean and smooth. It gives it that natural looking, as if you're not even adding hair, especially if you are using the same color of extension. So you want to continue this method and add extension in bits. So no matter how much volume you're looking for, add the extension in bits. It gives it a smooth, flawless look. As you continue, always watch your tension. Cornrows should feel secure, but never painful. So if your client is wincing, you are braiding too tight. Also, make sure your hands is as close to the scalp while doing the cornrow. The closer your hands are, the neater and flatter your cornrows will be. So we are going to continue adding the extension like this until we get to the very end. So I hope this helps someone to feed in extension to the natural hair. This is one of the easiest way to add extension. If you want to learn it very well, you can slow down this video and follow the process. Repeat it over and over again. As it said, as I always say, practice makes perfect. So you want to continue adding the extension until you are satisfied with the size of the hair. And when you're satisfied, you just continue making the cornrow down to the nape of the hair. So this is the 13 of the Cornrow Confidence Challenge. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you have not watched the other days, please rush down and watch it, because it breaks down the simple step of how to even start cornrows and how to master tension and the do's and don'ts of cornrows. So if you have not watched it, go to the link, go to my the YouTube channel, and watch the other videos. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. So now look at the hair being fixed. There's no lines to show where the extension was added. It's not bulky, uneven, or tight. Okay, it's flat, smooth, and naturally looking from the root to the tip. So if this video was helpful, like the video, subscribe for more braiding tutorials, And comment Cornrow if you want a full beginner series. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. This is AsteraBeauty, and you're welcome to the Cornrow Confidence Challenge. Watch out for day 14 and day 15 as I show you different patterns of cornrows. Until next time, stay awesome. Bye.